Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Language PDF Welcome Pack. New to the language and not sure where to start? Start with the basics. With our Welcome Pack, you get a bundle of PDFs giving you a quick overview of the alphabet, grammar, key vocabulary, and all the basics you must know. Second, you'll be able to talk about the weather with the new Weather Conversation cheat sheet. You get a simple dialogue that you can use in real life. Download the PDF cheat sheet for free right now. Third, if that cheat sheet was not enough, here's a bonus vocab lesson for weather, over 40 words that you'll know so you can speak about the weather fluently. Fourth, the 32 words you need for language learning. Noun, verb, adjective, sentence, grammar. You'll learn how to say these language-related words and much more in this quick 1-minute lesson. Fifth, must-know Easter vocabulary. Can you say Easter in your target language? You will with this quick 1-minute vocabulary lesson. And sixth, looking for a new language learning app? With the innovative language learning app, you learn language fast through conversations, and you start speaking in minutes because our conversation lessons are just 3 to 15 minutes long. Download innovative language learning for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire. Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Danish PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Kender du det? En morgen, hvor alting går galt? I dag skal vi prøve at høre om morgens helt forfærdelige morgen. Hej med jer. Mit navn er Jonas, og jeg er jeres vært i dag. Er I klar? Lyt godt efter. Mogens bor i en lejlighed i København. Det er mandag morgen, og han står op 7:00. Først tager han brusebad, men der er ikke noget varmt vand. Bagefter laver han morgenmad til sig selv, men der er ikke mere franskbrød eller kaffebønner. Før han tager afsted, børster han tænder, men der er ikke mere tandpasta. Klokken er mange, og han skal afsted på arbejde, men han kan ikke finde sine nøgler. Han cykler normalt på arbejde, men forhjulet er punkteret. Det her er en dag, hvor alting bare går galt. Okay, lad os se, hvor meget du forstod. Jeg har 3 spørgsmål med 3 mulige svar til hver. 1. Hvornår står Mogens op? A. Klokken 8. B. Klokken 6:30. C. Klokken 7. 2. Hvad vil Mogens gerne spise til morgenmad? A. Franskbrød og kaffe. B. Pizza og øl. C. Omelet med grøntsager. 3. Hvordan kommer Mogens på arbejde? A. Han kører med toget. B. Han kører på cykel. C. Han går. Prøv at huske dine svar. Vi afslører de rigtige svar lidt senere i videoen. Okay, nu sætter vi tempoet en smule ned og gennemgår hele historien en gang til. Mogens bor i en lejlighed i København. Det er mandag morgen, og han står op 7:00. Først tager han brusebad, men der er ikke noget varmt vand. Bagefter laver han morgenmad til sig selv, men der er ikke mere franskbrød eller kaffebønner. Før han tager afsted, børster han tænder, men der er ikke mere tandpasta. Klokken er mange, og han skal afsted på arbejde. Men han kan ikke finde sine nøgler. Han cykler normalt på arbejde, men forhjulet er punkteret. Det her er en dag, hvor alting bare går galt. Okay, lad os prøve at se lidt nærmere på historien. Hele historien er fortalt i nutid. Lad os kigge på nogle af de vigtigste ord. At tage brusebad. De fleste danskere tager et brusebad om morgenen, før de tager på arbejde. At lave morgenmad. På hverdage spiser danskere deres morgenmad hjemme. Den kan bestå af brød, yoghurt med mysli, kaffe eller te og juice. Læg mærke til forskellen mellem ental og flertal her. En tand. 2 tænder. Navneord på dansk bøjes forskelligt. Grundreglen er, at du lægger er til ordet for at lave flertal. Her skifter vokalen også mellem ental og flertal. Eksemplet for dagens historie er, før han tager afsted, børster han tænder, men der er ikke mere tandpasta. Tænder, flertal. Tandpasta, ental. Klokken er mange. Dette er en typisk dansk måde at sige, at du er forsinket. Forhjulet er punkteret. At bo i en dansk by er lig med, at du har en cykel. Hvis du har en cykel, vil du en gang imellem også have en punktering. De fleste danskere kan lappe deres egen cykel. Det tager cirka 20 minutter. Når vi kigger på dagens tekst, kan man let se, hvor mange ligheder der er mellem dansk og engelsk sætningsstruktur. Prøv at lægge mærke til det. Okay. I dag har vi hørt en historie om en forholdsvis normal morgenrutine for en dansker. Vi lærte at sige, tag brusebad, lave morgenmad, børste tænder og forhjulet er punkteret. Alle disse ord er virkelig gode at huske, hvis du vil kunne fortælle dine danske venner om din morgen. Her er de rigtige svar på de 3 spørgsmål. 1. Mogens står op klokken 7. 2. Mogens vil gerne spise franskbrød og kaffe. 3. Mogens kører på cykel til arbejde. Okay, tak for i dag. Jeg håber, at du kunne lide at høre om danske morgenrutiner. Måske din morgenrutine er anderledes. Skriv om din morgenrutine i kommentarerne. Og husk at trykke like, del videoen og abonner med subscribe. Håber vi ses næste gang. Vi ses. Hej hej.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets. Hey everyone, welcome to the Monthly Review, the monthly show on language learning, where you discover new learning strategies, motivational tips, study tools, and resources. By the way, all the lessons and bonuses you're about to see can be downloaded for free on our website. So click the link in the description right now to sign up for your free lifetime account. Okay, today's topic is new topics and talking points, the easiest way to increase your speaking time. If you want to speak your target language better, you'll often hit 2 specific ceilings that you'll need to get around. The good news is one of them is easy to get around and it involves picking up new talking points. That's why today you'll discover 1. The ceilings you'll hit when speaking in your target language, and 2. How to apply this learning tactic. But first, if you're looking for new free language resources and downloads, here are this month's new lessons and resources. Be sure to download these now before we take them down in a few days. First, all the words and phrases you must know about love. Learn all the words and phrases for romance, love, and dating with this PDF ebook. Yours free just in time for Valentine's Day. And second, the Love Conversation Cheat Sheet. Do you know how to ask someone out in your target language? With this new cheat sheet, master tons of romantic phrases. Download it for free right now. To get your free resources, click the link in the description below right now. They're yours to keep forever. Now to today's topic. New topics and talking points, the easiest way to increase your speaking time. Part 1. Ceilings you'll hit when speaking in your target language. When you start speaking in your target language, one of the most common ceilings you'll run into is running out of things to say. Has that ever happened to you? But another problem that can happen is you'll get good at some conversations, like talking about yourself or why you're learning the language. But how is that a problem if you get good at it? Well, if you get hit with another topic that you can't talk about, then it's game over. Just imagine you're talking almost fluently about topic A. You're impressing the native speakers and everything is going great. But then topic B comes along and you start struggling. The native speakers will quickly realize your language skills are not quite up there, and even though you're quite good, you are still a beginner. It's kind of ironic, right? You can speak almost fluently with one topic, but you freeze up with another. This happens quite often with beginners. So how do you get past this? As a general rule, if you want to extend your speaking time, there are two things you can do. Number 1, learn to talk about new topics or talking points. Or 2, learn to talk more in depth about what you already know. The second one comes slowly over time as you learn new words and grammar patterns. So if you're actively learning a language, you're always working on the second one. But the short-term, easy way to speak more is to have more talking points and be able to talk about new topics. How? Part 2, how to apply this learning tactic. If you want to be able to talk about new topics and have more talking points, then that's exactly where our 1-minute conversation cheat sheets come in. These cheat sheets serve as a primer for new topics and conversations. You'll get brief dialogues for topics like weather, hobbies, and more so that you can use them in conversations. The second way you can build up your list of talking points is to simply write out topics you like your hobbies or music, or topics you may anticipate in future conversations. Then look for lessons around these topics inside the lesson library. You'll learn conversations that you can then use in real life with native speakers. You can also check out our can-do lessons in the lesson library. These can-do lessons cover specific topics like introducing yourself, talking about yourself, your family, and more. But unlike the cheat sheets, with the lessons, you'll get to hear entire dialogues. You'll hear the native pronunciation, learn how to talk about these topics more in depth, and practice speaking. Again, the goal here is to expose you to new talking points and topics, new conversations, so that you can use them in real life, so that you're not just good at talking about one thing in your target language, and so you can boost your speaking time by a bit. Thank you for watching this episode of Monthly Review. Next time, we'll talk about 3 tactics for maximizing time and making more language progress. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share the video with anyone who's trying to learn a language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. And if you're ready to finally learn language the fast, fun, and easy way and start speaking from your very first lesson, get our complete learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description. See you next time. Bye! If you want to boost your vocabulary so you can speak more of your target language, the worst way would be to try and learn all the words. The best way? Through focused vocabulary and phrase lists for everyday topics that you need as a beginner, such as greetings, replying to how are you, and much more. And you can get hundreds of these vocabulary lists for free if you know where to look, because you won't find these anywhere else. So stick around. Today you'll discover 1. How to get our vocabulary lists, 2. How to boost your vocabulary, and 3. All the bonus learning tools you get inside. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. So let's jump in. I'll guide you through our learning system so you get to see exactly what's inside and our members-only study tools. Okay, so let's take a look. So first, let's examine what are the free vocabulary lists. So to access the free vocabulary lists, these are available for all members on the website. You simply go from your main dashboard to the vocabulary drop-down menu at the top of the page here and click on vocabulary lists. So here you'll see a bunch of different categories, a bunch of different themes, things related to certain topics of conversation, holidays, etc. So to access the information inside the list, you can hover over one of the lists and click on View List. So for this one, let's take a look at the common ways to say thank you list. So click on View List and you'll get this page that has all of the different expressions included on it. So I want to talk a little bit about the different tools that are embedded in the website that you can use to study these vocabulary words. So first, let's take a look at the different icons that are here to the left of each of the expressions. The first is this icon, the speaker icon. If you want to listen to a native speaker say that vocabulary word or say that expression, you can click on this and you'll hear that. Then to the right, you'll see that there's this microphone icon. So you can use this to record yourself saying that vocabulary word. This is super, super helpful if you want to work on your pronunciation. So you can record yourself saying that, and you can compare it to the native speaker's pronunciation, and that's a tool that you can use to make sure that you're pronouncing those new vocabulary words correctly. Okay? So next I want to talk a little bit about this checkbox that's to the left of each of the expressions. So if you click this, you'll notice maybe that these two things just above the word list have changed. So we can do a couple different things with these checked vocabulary words. We can first add selected to flashcards. So if you have a flashcard deck that you're already using to study, you can add any words that you select here to an existing flashcard deck. So if I click on this, you'll see a few things come up. So there are some decks that are already on this account. I could add this new vocabulary word to any one of these, or I could create a new deck with this vocabulary word. So if you already have a flashcard deck that you use to study every day or every week, you can easily add new words from this page, from this very, very easy to use checkbox system, okay? So that's one thing. And then the other thing here is this selected to word bank, add selected to word bank. So if you click on this, the word will go to your word bank. You'll get a notification that the word was added to your word bank. So your word bank is something you can access from the same drop-down menu up here at the top. If you go to word bank, you will see a list of all of the words that you've added to this bank. So this is something that you can use if you know there's like a certain category or a certain topic that you want to study more, or maybe these words are particularly hard for you, something like that. So if you want to use this word bank, you can do that here. Okay, so the last thing that I want to talk about here is this button up at the top of the screen. This is View as Slideshow. So you can select a few different vocabulary words. You could select the whole list if you want to, and you can click the View as Slideshow button up here. And then you'll get to select some things relating to your slideshow. If you want to hear audio, if you want the loop playback option, and then you can start the slideshow and you'll get to practice in this way too. So there are a number of different tools that you can find right here from the vocabulary list page. So one of these is available, all of these tools are available for each of the different vocabulary lists that we just looked at the main vocabulary list page. So make sure to check these out. And another thing to think about is that if you are a member on our website, of course you can access all of these for free, but we will also sometimes email you vocabulary lists. So for example, if there's a holiday that's coming up, you'll get an email from us that has a bunch of vocabulary related to that holiday. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different ways that you can use these vocabulary lists to study new words, of course, but you can also work on your listening skills and your pronunciation with all of the tools that we have available on our website. If you want a free way to boost your vocabulary and speak more, check out the free vocabulary lists. There are hundreds inside our library, and all you need is a free lifetime account. So, if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.